Hello there, Data Recovery Guru here. Hope all is well. Today we are working on this 12-bay Synology NAS Network Attached Storage. It has 12 drives in here. Most of them are 4 terabyte drives, one 6 terabyte drives that was used to rebuild. In the past, there was one spare. So the customer is locally here in Natick, Massachusetts. They called us because they were having problems with the Synology unit. What he's describing here is that he had replaced hard drives, and because it was generating an input-output error. I've tried several times to run extended health check on the drive, and it'll get stuck at 90%. This could be a sign that the drive may be failing, which is true. While I was rebuilding on a new disk, another drive went critical and eventually into a failed state. I didn't notice that the rebuild process was running, and I removed this newly failed drive to replace it. This appears to have corrupted the RAID, and now it won't assemble online. No encryption, so that's good. So what we had to do here, as we always do with RAIDs, the first step is to image every single drive, right? So drive 1, 2, 3, all of them we have created images of. Let me show you. So all of those physical drives have images of each one of them. For example, D1 is drive 1, D4 is drive 4, D5. All 12 drives have been created in images and stored onto these drives here. In data recovery, you always want to work off of copies, not from directly the drives. Because many of those drives were degraded. As we can see here in the report, many of the drives were degraded that we sent to the customer. Drive 2, drive 3, drive 7, drive 9, drive 11, and drive 12. They all had degradation. So in order to successfully recover the files, we need to create images and work off of stable drives, okay? Once we work off the stable drives, we load the images into software to determine the array configuration. And as you can see, the drive order in the bay is not necessarily the real order that the array is running off of. So here we have to determine the array parameters. It's array 5, left symmetric, 64 kilobyte block size. And now we are recovering the files to this QNAP direct attached storage. It's about 18 terabytes worth of storage. If you need help, you can find us at datarecoveryguru.com.